I'm going to go over a couple questions from the Math 3 Unit 9 Worksheet 2. I'm going to start with number 3. So if you have a decimal, change it out of decimal form to a fraction. If your decimal has two decimal places like we have here, then it'll be 25 over 100. If there's one decimal place, it would be 1 over 10. Three decimal places, you make it over 1,000. So this is log base 4 of 25 over 100, which is asking the question 4 to what power is equal to 25 over 100. If you have a fraction that you can reduce it. So 4 to the what power is equal to 1/4, and 1/4 is 1 over 4 to the first power, which is 4 to the negative 1 power. So we see that our exponent should be negative 1. Number 8, log base 9 of 3. This is asking the question 9 to what power is 3? Well, 9 is 3 squared, and we already had the power of x there, so this is really 3 to the power of 2x is equal to 3. 3 has the power of 1, so 2x is equal to 1, and when we divide both sides by 2, we get x is 1/2. So our answer is 1/2. Number 11 is asking the question 1/2 to what power is equal to 1 over 8. One half is 2 to the negative 1. We had an x there already, so negative 1 times x. 1/8, that's 1 over 2 to the third, so that would be 2 to the negative 3. So negative x equals negative 3. Multiply both sides by negative 1, you get x is 3, so your answer is 3. Number 14 is asking the question, well, invisible base here is 10, so 10 to what power is 100,000? 100,000 has 5 zeros, so that's 10 to the 5th power, and so we get 5 as an answer. Number 20, the natural log works with base e, so this is asking the question e to what power is the 4th root of e. The power of e here is 1, and the root is 4, so this is e to the 1/4, and so our answer is 1/4. Number 21 to 25, you're to find which two consecutive integers the logarithm lies between. Take a look at number 24. You look at powers of 3. So this is asking the question though, 3 to what power is 75? Well, 3 to the 2nd power we know is 9. 3 to the 3rd power is 27. 3 to the 4th power is 81. And so we're looking for 3 to what power is 75. That's going to fall between 27 and 81. So our power is going to be between 3 and 4. Number 26 to 28, you're to find the y-intercept for the following functions. To find a y-intercept, you set x equal to 0. Solve for y. We'll look at number 27. 0 plus 16 is 16. And we need to first evaluate the log, find out what log base 2 of 16 is, and then whatever our answer is we will add to 3. So on the side we had log base 2 of 16. That's asking the question 2 to what power, that's a question mark, is equal to 16. 16 is 2 to the 4th power, so the answer is 4. So I'm going to replace the log base 2 of 16 with a 4, and I'm going to add that 4 to the 3, and I end up with a y-intercept of 7. In this application, we're given the concentration of hydrogen for different substances, and we want to find their pH, and then we want to classify it as basic or acidic. And so for milk, the pH of milk is equal to negative log of the hydrogen level, which is hydrogen concentration, which is 1.6 times 10 to the negative 7. So using a calculator, I'm going to type in log of 1.6 times 10 to the negative 7. And then change the sign because it's a negative log, and I end up with roughly 6.796. And it says any solution with a pH less than 7 is considered acidic, so this would be considered acidic.